Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council, BMTPC presents Stay-in-Place Formwork Systems. In order to fast-track delivery of affordable houses using sustainable emerging housing technologies under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, various stay-in-place formwork systems have been identified by BMTPC, which have shown potential to be viable alternative system of construction. These systems not only bring speed and economy in construction, but also provide quality, durable houses.
BMTPC is mandated to identify, evaluate and promote emerging construction systems suiting to different geoclimatic conditions of the country, which are safe, sustainable, environment friendly and ensure faster delivery of quality houses. Government of India has authorized BMTPC to certify such new systems through Performance Appraisal Certification Scheme. 16 such new systems have been evaluated and certified so far, which can be broadly classified as engineered formwork systems, precast sandwich panel systems, hot rolled steel and cold form light gauge steel structural systems, and precast concrete construction systems.
For many years, the use of various wood form for in situ concrete casting has been the general forming practice. This has, however, been challenged by the worldwide restrictions on cutting trees. Driven by an increasing environmental awareness, numerous alternatives have been developed and tried, including steel, PVC, polystyrene, composite materials as formwork. The time-consuming and costly process of assembly, disassembly, cleaning and storing of these formwork systems are no more relevant and has opened gate for more advanced modular formwork systems. Many new formwork systems have been developed, amongst which stay-in-place formwork systems have many advantages. After concrete pouring and hardening, this type of formwork systems remain in place as an integral part of the structure and contribute to the structural integrity, durability, and even aesthetics of concrete elements. 3 different stay-in-place formwork systems evaluated and recommended by the Building Material and Technology Promotion Council for mass housing include coffer system, expanded polystyrene, double wall system and insulated EPS interlocking blocks concrete formwork. Coffer system. The formwork is composed of 2 filtering grids comprising of rib meshes made of galvanized plain steel GP sheets with herringbone mesh pattern rib lath, reinforced by C-profile GP sheet vertical stiffener. These grids are further connected by articulated horizontal MS rebar loops in one direction and cold-rolled close annealed plate GP horizontal connectors in other directions.
Coffer India brings a unique technology called a structured stay-in-place formwork system. Compared to the conventional, there is a time saving of 50 to 60%. Coffer provide facility to pour concrete of coffer walls and slab in one go. So you have a unique monolithic structure and there is no any construction joint. Less labor required. Another main advantage of the system in a transportation cost, if you go to build a G+4 story building, you need a 1 truckload of the coffer, while the same building, if you go with the conventional, you need a 8 truckload of the brick.
After the erection of formwork panels in alignment over strip foundation, closing of corners, edges of doors and windows frames, rebar positioning, concrete of required grade is poured inside the panels, either using pump, bucket or with shovel loader. The inside and outside walls are finished with cement plaster of suitable grade. EPS double wall system. It is an insulating shuttering kit made in factory for whole building based on 3-dimensional lattice made of high tensile galvanized steel wires. At the exterior side of the lattice, high density fire resistant grade of expanded polystyrene panels are inserted, which transforms the lattice into closed structure that can be filled with concrete. Other materials like mineral board can also be used depending upon the requirement and cost economy. The steel wire also acts as armature and anchoring for the finished materials, and it holds reinforcement bars in place during concreting. The panels are erected on foundation using dowel bars, and exterior surface is finished with cement plaster of appropriate grade. EPS-based stay-in-place formwork system has high heat-resistant property and brings down energy consumption required during winter and summer for heating and cooling. Insulated concrete forms, an American initiative, is used in Europe, America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Insulated concrete forms ICF system comprises a panel of 2 walls of self-extinguishing expanded polystyrene EPS of density 24 kilograms per cube meter, separated by a nominal distance of 150 mm by hard plastic ties. The forms are open-ended, hollow polystyrene blocks which fit tightly together to form a shuttering system. These are assembled at site to hold reinforced concrete. The concrete of desired grade is poured into the hollow space to form a continuous wall. When hardened, the wall supports the structural loads from floors and roofs, and shuttering provides thermal insulation. Reinforcement as required from the design are also placed. Upper and lower surfaces of the polystyrene panels are castellated, and the vertical mating surface are tongue and grooved to form a tight fit when joined together. The rigid form does not require supporting falsework. Stay-in formwork systems are quicker, requiring less manpower and machines. These are used to form load-bearing walls, eliminating need for columns and beams. With the use of stay-in-place formwork, need for separate formwork is eliminated. It brings overall economy and speed in construction.
We are very happy to use this technology. As an old conventional method, we were dependent on unskilled labor for our work. In this technology, we can use the same unskilled labor, train them in a short span to use this technology and achieve much more productivity. This technology will help us in reduction of cost and time of the construction from existing 9 months to 1 year to 4 months to 5 months, and this technology will help us giving a much better finished product to the customer.
The structure associated with these formwork systems are of reinforced concrete, which can be designed suitably to achieve desired strength and durability, making it safer even after natural hazards, such as earthquakes, with lesser maintenance cost.
BMTPC is striving towards creating an enabling ecosystem to mainstream new construction technologies with the help of CPWD, Bureau of Indian Standards, and state governments. Various government departments and state governments are also floating technology-neutral tenders to adopt these new systems. It is now for the construction fraternity, especially public and private agencies, to embrace these new systems for achieving housing for all targets and building better and resilient India.
With revolutionary change in formwork system, stay-in-place formwork systems have potential to replace conventional formwork system and can be tried by housing agencies in the country to build affordable, safe, durable and sustainable dwelling units to achieve the overall goal of housing for all in the country.